Approaches to machine learning explained simply. Ever wondered how Netflix YouTube knows what you want to watch? How it is done? What techniques behind it? Here come role of machine learning. Machine learning is a growing technology which enables computers to learn automatically from past data. Let's break down the basics of machine learning with its different approaches. Machine learning isn't just one thing. It's a collection of different techniques or approaches. We can categorize these techniques or approaches into three main types, each with its own unique way of learning from data. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, think of it as learning with a teacher. You feed the algorithm with labeled data, and it learns to predict outcomes. In supervised learning, data is labeled data, means some input data is already tagged with the correct known output. Like here in this image label, apples and banana known output. To supervised machine learning model, it will classify when new image data is given predict to respective output. Supervised learning. Real world example is when predicting house prices based on size and location of houses or flats. In unsupervised learning, the algorithms explores unlabeled data to find patterns. Imagine grouping customers based on their purchasing behavior. No teacher in the classroom, learning, it's just discovery. In this, models finds the hidden patterns in data. Third approach to machine learning, reinforcement learning, where an intelligent agent, means robot or computer program, interacts with environment and learn to act within it. Reinforcement learning is through trial and error. The algorithm learns by receiving rewards or penalties for its actions. Think of a robot learning to walk. Ready to dive deeper? Watch more videos on each type, like and follow for more bite-sized machine learning explanations. Let us know what topic you want us to cover next in the comments.